Hi there, this video is live, very climatic, amazing afternoon arrival train journey to Woking. Heavy rain, shower, weather forecast UK 20. Very last video, press the thumbs up list off the screen right now. Time at Mountain Digital this afternoon is approximately 15:40 PM in the afternoon. In Arlo, that's approximately 20 minutes to 4 PM in the afternoon, and it is December the 13th, Wednesday 23 across the UK right now, as we go straight into this very heavy or light to heavy thundery shower across the town of Woking to the west of Woking Town, southwest Woking Town right now, and southwest Wales heading to Woking Town right now. Very wet, very swamp bounty and flooded. River Ways on flood alert at the moment, and the Hove Stream won't be that far off it, and the River Knowles on flood alert at the moment. There's a lot of surface water coming down from the hills of Surrey locally. After this nasty thunderstorms to the southeast of Surrey, especially around to the southeast of Guildford yesterday, as I did predict yesterday, you name it, the day before, more or less, at the end of yesterday as well. It came to Surrey locally, for southeast reasons, more than 85% right when it comes to thunderstorms across the UK. Got a very light to heavy thundering shower in Woking Town right now, as we head to the town of Woking on the train journey this afternoon, which is incredible. Very climatic train journey for you guys. Darker earlier now and darker earlier. I'm not far off the winter solstice now, about a week away. Next week. Yeah, that'll be next Thursday, 21st December. Roughly just the day before that, 20th December. About a week away now from the darkest point of the year. It'll start to get lighter. By the time you get to mid-January next year, you'll be laughing. And I'm not joking. It'll be light, literally, well, you name it. 3:30 to 4:30. And after 4:30, it'll get dark, it'll get lighter there very quickly, as quick as it got dark. It's autumn, not very long now, guys. Just to let you know, there's a landslip between Brookwood and Woking, so if you're getting a train up that way to Basingstoke or Alton, you will have a slightly slower journey than normal. You'll probably find a 5-minute delay to your journey back and forth. Probably more going up that way, I would say, than going down the other way, but yeah, probably the same the other way as well, because the speed limit of 20 miles per hour on there at the moment. So yeah, that's something to think about if you're travelling by train that direction. Just to let you know. Stopping outside Woking for a while. We've got a race signal ahead of us, and we'll be going in about 5, maybe 3 or 2 minutes, depending on how long it takes for the signal to change. Very murky, drizzly, showery afternoon across Woking Town locally right now as we arrive Woking Town. Well, looks like we're going ahead. It's on green, that's good. Now approaching the junction outside Woking train station. The weather looks pretty extreme for the future. Very mild Atlantic coming from the west towards the UK, because it's very unusually warm across the North Atlantic. Got a super El Nino across the eastern, central and western part of the episodic region at the moment, and yeah, it's just going to be a very mild winter this year of 2023, 2024 across the southeastern regions. There might be a cold snap next year in January 2024. Could be a bigger one than that, heading on the SSW across the North Pole. It affects the weather down to 30 hectopary, but it starts across the northern hemisphere at 10 hectopary stratosphere down to 30 hectopary potentially. And now arriving to Woking train station. Wow, look at that. There's Morrison's over there. Very showery here, very wet. I hope you like the video. This is my friend Sparky and Jimbo on ITF 15, Surrey Hills Racing every Friday, 3 to 5 pm. And digital at 1500, 17 at ITF 15, Surrey Hills Racing every Friday. And this is my friend John on Lara Show every Sunday at 9 to 12 pm live on the Waking Race this show every Sunday. And this is my friend Shane every 2 weeks. Surrey Hills Racing at 2 to 3 pm now. This is about 1500, what, 1400, 1500. It's Squire on Sunday, now arriving at Waking train station, Waking Town. No joke. There we go, guys. There's the town. This is Squire on Sunday, we're now arriving at Waking train station. I'm not joking. On the fast track.
Where's the closest tube station or train station?
It's Waking train station. Soul train leaving. It's leaving the Waking train station. It's the name of Soul train. These Squire on Sunday, we're now arriving at Waking train station. Now arrived at Waking train station. Incredible. To show where we are here, like a home. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel on Sunday Jevons. Very wet day in Waking Town as well, like it is in Guildford. That's to watch the video. Subscribe to the channel on Sunday Jevons. Smile, be happy. Even if it's a great day, still be positive. Subscribe to the channel on Sunday Jevons. Smile, be happy. Bye everyone.